Hello students, under the topic integration by parts, we are now going to solve the sixth problem, which is find integral x cos squared 2x dx. Now, in order to solve this problem, first we have to make the choice of the function u, because we are going to use the formula integral u dv, which is equal to uv minus integral v du. So in this we have to make the choice of the function u and the remaining as the choice as the function dv. So to find which function has to be chosen as u, we have to use this, that is already I have told in my previous lectures, ILATE, ILATE, in which I stands for inverse, L for logarithmic, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric and E for exponential. So in this order we have to choose the function u. Now if you see, the two functions here we have is x and cos squared 2x, where x is an algebraic function and cos is obviously a trigonometric function. So now if you see, the algebraic function comes first. After that we have the trigonometric function t. So because algebraic comes first, the choice of u should be the algebraic function. So therefore in this we have to choose u to be equal to x and dv to be equal to cos squared 2x dx. That is, because this is chosen as u, the remaining full portion including the dx has to be chosen as dv, because we will be integrating dv in order to get v, so we should have dx in this part only. So now we shall because u is equal to x, we know that when we differentiate u we get du by dx, which is equal to, the differentiation for x is 1, so this is 1, and from this we obtain du to be equal to, so when it gets multiplied with this one, we get du to be equal to dx. We can also directly write the du to be equal to dx. Then now integrating this dv, so we have to integrate the cos squared 2x dx also. So when we integrate dv we get v, which is equal to, what is the integration of cos squared 2x? We have the formula for cos function, but here the function is cos squared, so we need to make a substitution over here. So for that we should know the trigonometric formula, which says that, so I'll write the formula here. We have a trigonometric formula which says that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1. So from this formula we can rewrite it as 2 cos squared x to be equal to, taking this 1 to the other side, we get 1 plus cos 2x. And so from this we obtain cos squared x to be equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So this is the formula that we will be using here. But we have to notice that here we have cos squared 2x. So instead of x we are having 2x. So in this formula this x has to be replaced as 2x. So when we replace it as 2x, what we obtain? Cos squared 2x to be equal to, so wherever we have x in this formula we have to replace it by 2x. So we obtain 1 plus cos 2 multiplied with 2x, so it will become 4x divided by 2. Okay, so this is what we obtain. Now we have to use this over here. So we will be equal to integral cos squared 2x is, it has to be replaced with this, so 1 plus cos 4x the whole divided by 2 dx. Now this 1 by 2 is a constant which can be taken out, so we will be equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with the integral of this part. So now 1 has to be integrated separately and cos 4x has to be integrated separately. So integral 1 dx, that is integration of dx is x plus, so this plus, what is the integration for cos? So that we have to do here. So by the integration formula, the integral of the cos function is sine. So now here we have cos 4x, and so the integration of cos 4x will be sine 4x divided by the constant. So what is the constant here? It is 4. So divided by 4. So this is what we obtain. Now we have obtained du, v and u we have taken here as x. So all this now we have to substitute in this formula. So we will do that now. So as per the formula, integral u dv. So u dv is what? This and this. That is the given question. So integral x cos squared 2x dx is equal to uv. What is u? U is chosen as x. So we shall write x here. And what is v? V is this what we have obtained. So we will write x by 2 multiplied with x plus sine 4x divided by 4. So uv minus, so this minus integral v du. So we have to write here that 1 by 2 is a constant, so we can take it out. So 1 by 2 x plus sine 4x divided by 4. And then we have v du. Du is what? Dx. So that we will write here. So dx. So after that we have to simplify this further. So that is equal to x by 2 multiplied with x plus sine 4x divided by 4 minus 1 by 2 of, now integral of this. So what is the integration of x? Integration of x is x squared by 2 plus, now the integral of sine 4x. As per the integration formula, the integration of sine is cos and it is of course negative cos. So it will be minus cos 4x divided by, already we have a 4 here. We should also divide it by the constant 4. So 4 gets multiplied with this 4 and it becomes 16. So 16 plus a constant c. So that is equal to, further on simplification, what we obtain is, that is equal to, this x by 2 has to be multiplied with this x. And so we get x squared by 2 plus, so again x by 2 has to be multiplied with this term. So we get x sine 4x divided by, this 2 gets multiplied with this 4 and it becomes 8. So minus 1 by 2 gets multiplied with this. So we get x squared by 4. And then minus into plus is minus. And again we have a minus here. So minus into minus turns out to be plus. So when we multiply with this term, it becomes plus. And here we have cos 4x, and in the denominator this 2 gets multiplied with 16 and it becomes 32. So 32 and the plus a constant c. Now on simplification, if you see, we have x squared by 2 here and we have x squared by 4 here. So that is, this is negative. So x squared by 2 minus x squared by 4. We know that the LCM is 4. And so if you multiply 2 with this, we get the 4. And again we have to multiply the 2 with this x squared term. So it becomes 2x squared minus 4 into 1 is 4. So when we multiply with 1, we get x squared. And so 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. So x squared by 4 is the solution that we obtain after simplifying these two terms. Okay, that is equal to, so it becomes x squared by 4 plus, and here we have x sine 4x divided by 8, and then plus cos 4x divided by 32 plus c. So this is the answer that we obtain. Hope you have understood this problem. Thank you.